Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our topics of linear algebra. It starts from the definition of vector space. Before we go to the definition of vector space, I want to discuss some of the concepts which help in understanding all the properties of this space clearly. Now we will start with the preliminaries. The first is the binary composition. As we all know, binary implies two element and composition implies applying some kind of the operation involving addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc. Now binary composition is basically divided into two categories. First one is internal composition and second one is external composition. As the name suggests, internal composition implies something which happens internally in any set or in any field or in any of the elements. Now, internal composition starts with let V be any non-empty set. Always keep in mind in linear algebra, the non-empty condition is compulsory whenever we give the definition of any set. Let V be any non-empty set, then a mapping F from V cross V to V. V cross V always depict you the ordered pair. That is the ordered pair of two elements of V is said to be the internal composition. Now why we have called it the internal composition? Both the element on which the F is attacking comes from V, and when the F attack on these elements, the result obtained is again existing inside V. That's why this composition is called as internal composition. For example, if we take the V as a set of reals, then the map F from R cross R to R defined as F A comma B is equal to AB implies if F attacks on two elements of reals, then the result obtained after multiplication is again real. Since the elements come from the set of reals and output also goes to the set of reals, that's why this composition is called as internal binary composition. Next we come up with external composition. In case of external composition, as the word suggests, there must be something which is coming externally. That is, one attacker is from the set and another attacker is from the outside area. For this, we have the two sets. Let V and F be any two non-empty sets. Then mapping F from V cross F to V is said to be external composition. Now when we are dealing with this mapping, we have one element from V, another element from F, but result is again coming inside V. That means when our element deal with some external element, we get the element inside V. That's why this composition is called as external binary composition. For example, if we take the set of matrices, it may be 2 cross 2 matrices, 3 cross 3, m cross n, any order of ordered matrices, and F is set of all reals. A map F defined as the scalar multiplication, that is, take the element from the set of matrices and another elements from the field F, and if the function a map F attacks on AK, we get K into A. We all are familiar with this parameter K into A. This implies again 2 cross 2 matrix obtained by multiplication of scalar K with the matrix A. This is called as the external binary composition.